Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the URL of a page in WordPress. Let's begin. First, open your browser, go to the official website for WordPress, and log in using your Google account to access your dashboard. From there, head over to the Pages section over here so you can see all of your website pages and find the page whose URL you want to change. For example, this, you can click on Quick Edit, then locate the slug field. This is the part of the URL that you can actually modify. Okay, type in your new link in the slug field, keeping it short and clear. Once done, make sure to hit Update to save your changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed your page URL in WordPress in just a few clicks. I hope you found this video very helpful.